Ever wonder why some marketers seem to have it all figured out while the rest of us struggle to keep up? It's a common feeling in the fast-paced world of digital marketing, where the landscape is constantly shifting and evolving. Marketers are often faced with a plethora of challenges. They're racing against the clock, juggling multiple tasks and strategies, and are expected to be proficient in a wide array of tools and platforms. Then there's the issue of resources. Some marketers are part of small teams or even solo operators battling against larger organizations with deeper pockets. And let's not forget the technical skills required to navigate the digital marketing terrain. Coding, analytics, SEO, PPC, the list goes on. So it's clear that marketers need a comprehensive and easy-to-use tool that can handle all aspects of online marketing. A tool that saves time, conserves resources, and doesn't require advanced technical skills. What if there was a tool that could alleviate these challenges and streamline your marketing efforts? Enter Systeme.io, a comprehensive marketing tool designed to simplify your marketing process. This innovative platform is a game changer, especially for those who juggle multiple marketing tasks on a daily basis. It's like your personal assistant, but for marketing. Systeme.io is packed with features that cater to every aspect of digital marketing. For starters, it allows you to create sales funnels with ease, helping you guide potential customers through the buying process. But that's not all. Systeme.io also includes email marketing capabilities, enabling you to build and maintain relationships with your customers. You can easily send out newsletters, promotional emails, and more, all from one platform. And for those of you who offer online courses, Systeme.io has you covered. It provides course hosting options that are both user-friendly and efficient. All these features are integrated into one platform, making your marketing process seamless and efficient. Sounds impressive, right? But let's dive deeper into these features and see how they address specific marketing needs. First off, let's talk about sales funnels. Picture it like this. Your prospects are on a journey, and your sales funnel is the path that guides them toward your product or service. With Systeme.io, you have the power to design this path to best suit your business needs. You can create a series of web pages that will lead your prospects from the awareness stage, where they first learn about your product, to the decision stage, where they finally make a purchase. It's like having a silent salesman working around the clock, increasing your conversion rates and boosting your sales. Now let's pivot to another crucial aspect of marketing: email marketing. In the digital age, email is one of the most effective ways to engage with your customers and foster long-lasting relationships. Systeme.io offers a robust email marketing tool that allows you to automate your campaigns, personalize your messages, and track your performance. Whether it's welcoming a new subscriber, promoting a product, or sending a monthly newsletter, Systeme.io's email marketing tool takes care of it all. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, keeping your customers engaged and your brand at the top of their minds. Lastly, let's talk about a feature that's a goldmine for marketers: course hosting. Systeme.io allows you to create and sell online courses right from your dashboard. If you're an expert in your field, why not share your knowledge and make some passive income while you're at it? With Systeme.io, you can build a course, set your price, and even create a sales funnel specifically for your course. It's like having your own online university right at your fingertips. These features not only simplify your marketing process, they also maximize your marketing potential. Whether it's designing a high-converting sales funnel, automating your email marketing, or making money from your expertise, Systeme.io has got you covered. And the best part? It's all in one place, saving you time and effort and letting you focus on what truly matters: growing your business. But the real value of Systeme.io lies in its ability to integrate these features into one platform. Imagine a world where you no longer have to juggle between multiple tools to manage your marketing needs. Systeme.io is the one-stop shop that makes this world a reality. It's not just about the convenience of having everything under one roof, it's about the time, energy, and resources you save when everything works seamlessly together. Picture yourself being able to focus more on crafting powerful strategies, creating compelling content, and connecting with your audience, rather than getting caught up in the technicalities of different platforms. It's like having a well-oiled machine that supports your business, allowing you to reach your goals faster and more efficiently. This platform isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's the kind of tool that lets you stay ahead of the curve without draining your energy or resources. With System.io, you can stay ahead of the game without burning yourself out. So are you ready to take your marketing to the next level with System.io? Remember, System.io isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's a platform that seamlessly integrates your marketing strategies, allowing you to easily manage your campaigns, sales funnels, and email marketing efforts. With System.io, you can automate your processes, saving you time and increasing your efficiency. What stands out the most about System.io is its adaptability. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, System.io is designed to meet your needs, helping you to reach your goals and maximize your results. Don't just take our word for it, though. Experience the transformative power of System.io for yourself. Embrace the future of marketing and see the difference System.io can make in your strategies. Click the link in the description to check the current available plans. Take the leap with System.io and transform your marketing strategy today.